I don't often film specialty vehicles that have been highly modified, but I just couldn't resist filming this. This is a 1951 GMC panel truck. As you can see, it has been considerably modified. Check out the engine under the hood here. What an engine, huh? The overall color scheme of this truck is green, so the engine is painted that. You can see accessibility is not a problem here. Everything's elevated. Tubular shocks there. This thing probably could go most any place. Notice how the front end pivots for accessibility. Notice all the chrome parts here. Looks to me like a fortune has been spent really on this vehicle. Amazing. And there are a couple speakers typical of the drive-in movie. Brought those along too. The theme of this truck is drive-in movie, and you'll see why in a minute. The paint is perfect on this vehicle. Two-tone green and black. With the side pipes there, or the side exhaust. Digital dash, but saving a lot of the chrome of the dash itself. Look at all that woodwork there. Amazing. Tremendous seats there with the GMC logo, and check out the stars here. Part of the drive-in movie idea. Stars in the headliner. Wood paneling here on the door. Okay, we're working our way towards the back. Checking out the rear suspension here. And now we have the drive-in. There happens to be a flat screen TV there that takes the place of the movie screen in the drive-in. There's the refreshment stand. There are all the miniature cars there at the drive-in. This just amazing. And see the stars in the headliner back here. You can only imagine how much is involved in preparing this truck. There are the tires and wheel combination. And check out the babe there on the antenna. Amazing. That's surely a work of of a lifetime there.